Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from a to power button on that device. So now we can see that just we can lock or unlock the device with power key, and if you wanna here just link the Google Assistant to use the Google Assistant from power button, we should launch the settings application and scroll all the way down to the system section. Then click to the gestures and click double press power key. Now just switch on to launch assistant, and now by double press the power key button we can see that the Google Assistant is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.